Hi everyone, this is Cindy from Jevons Property Management. Today we are at 903 Riverview Avenue in Selah. This home has 4 bedrooms, a office space plus bonus room. Now in here seems like it's a closet, but it's actually where the washer and dryer go. Go ahead and show you. At the beginning of the video, when you're coming into the house, I don't know if you noticed, there is a garage where we have access through this door. Do have some steps. Continue to look more into the house. And we'll go into the living room where we have a fireplace. The sliding door leads us out to the deck. Okay, we have a nice view. This is a huge living room. This is the hallway we came in through. This door is the small closet. And right over here, we have another one. And down the hallway, to our left is the bathroom. Where we have a bathtub. I don't think I mentioned this house does have central air and heat. To our right is one of the bedrooms. This beautiful closet. Straight ahead is the other bedroom. This is actually our master bedroom. Has a closet, a fan. It's its own bathroom. The bathroom has a shower. Go ahead and look some more. This door, it's a closet with shelves. It is a bit dark. I do apologize for that. And here is the third bedroom upstairs. Same kind of closet as the other bedrooms. I'll show you more of the house downstairs. This house does have downstairs. Down there is the office, the bonus room, and the big family room. There you go. There's a few steps, so I do apologize ahead of time if it's not so stable. This is the family room I was mentioning earlier. Also has a fireplace. This could be for storage. And this door here is the exit door to the backyard, which I will show you. Once again, admire the view. It is very nice out here. There's the deck we were standing in a few minutes ago. This is another room that you can use. It's not considered a bedroom, but you can use up to whatever you may need. Maybe another family room, a game room, which has a little room on that side, mainly for storage or whatever you may have a use for. To our left is another bathroom, which does have a bathtub. Now here is not a closet. It may seem like a closet, but that's where our water heater is, the furnace. Has the vanity, mirror. Straight down is another bedroom or bonus room. Or maybe this could be your office. It does have its own closet. And it has a cool feature. So this is how you turn on and off the light. That's the light switch. And for all of you Seahawk fans, we have a Seahawk room. Very cool, huh? That is it. I believe I've showed you everything about the house. If you'd like to proceed with the application, you can do so by calling us at 519-314-4477 for any kind of information, but you can just visit our website, and on where you see the pictures of this home or the video, you can click on there to apply now. You can do so that way.